Today we will visit the fish market at Souk Al Wakra, Qatar. Here you find the freshest fish from grouper fish, shrimps to snapper fish. Prices can come as cheap as 15 to 35 rials per kilogram depending on which kind of fish. Oh, look at this cute cuttlefish. It's so huge it can weigh around 1.5 kilos. Some of the fish here are literally new to me and can't even identify them. Look at this grouper fish. Filipinos would love cooking it in sinigang sour soup recipe. This one weighs 1.2 kilos. Of course, these crabs are packing with meat and fat. Ginataan sa kalabasa is best for this. I'm almost tempted to get this cuttlefish. But damn, it has this hard, heavy plate. Look at this shrimps. Grilled in charcoal is a choice. Some of these are coming from Iran or neighboring countries. But most of them, like this sea bass, are caught in local Qatari seas. And yes, we bought a kilo of this squid. They also have green mussels, but it doesn't look fresh. We will make pusit adobo recipe later. Yummy.
Gulay-gulay, talong. May ket-ket pa dito, boss. Check mo yung ket-ket, magkano ba yan? Wala. May mga okra dito, boss. Yung okra nila, maliliit ang mga okra nila rito. Mga sili, mga tabungaw, saging. Kakaiba yung mga saging nila dito, mga boss. Parang masarap to kunin mo nga. Ay, kaso nagbubukas na yan. Check mo. Mga tabungaw, mga boss. Upo. Ayan. Pechay. Patatas. O, luya. Bili kang luya, boss. Okay, nasan ang luya daw? Bawang, lettuce. So, mas maganda yung pechay na lang kunin mo, boss. Huwag yung lettuce. Mas maganda yung pechay sa sinigang. Pipino. Carrots. So, murang-mura. Meron pa nga mangga dito, pero galing India yata to or Bangladesh. Peras, mansanas. Wag yung dilaw. Yung hilaw. O, sige, yan na, okay na. Ayun, no, luya, oh.
Nakakuha na. How much?
Oh, patatas, tsaka mga pipino. Dami nila, puro patatas yan. Kaso to, wala na. Gano'n na.